The deeper we look into the fabric of reality, the more we realize how little we truly understand. Science, our most trusted tool for mapping the universe, occasionally uncovers things that defy its own laws, anomalies, contradictions, discoveries that, according to our current knowledge, simply shouldn't exist. These are not just puzzles to be solved, they are whispers from a reality far stranger than we have ever imagined. They hint that the rules we live by might be incomplete, or worse, that we have been fundamentally wrong all along. Number 5. The WOW signal. In the quiet expanse of space, a radio telescope in Ohio was listening. On an August night in 1977, it captured a signal so powerful, so deliberate, it left astronomers breathless. For 72 seconds, a narrow-band radio frequency, a frequency protected by international agreement for astronomical use, blared from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. Astronomer Jerry Amon, reviewing the data, circled the anomaly and wrote a single word in the margin. Wow! The signal bore all the hallmarks of an intelligent non-terrestrial origin. It was structured, powerful, and appeared in a silent, protected radio band. And yet, despite decades of searching the same patch of sky, it has never been heard again. It was a singular, intelligent shout from the cosmos that vanished as quickly as it appeared, leaving us with a question that echoes in the silence. Who was calling, and why did they stop? Number 4. The Klerksdorp spheres. Deep within South African mines in rock strata dating back nearly 3 billion years, miners have been unearthing small, metallic spheres. These objects, known as the Klerksdorp spheres, present a profound geological puzzle. They are remarkably uniform, with some featuring perfectly balanced concentric grooves around their equators. Geologists suggest they are natural formations, concretions formed through mineral accretion. But how does nature produce such precise symmetry and balance in objects so ancient? They predate not just humanity, but nearly all complex life on Earth. The grooves seem too perfect, too deliberate, to be a mere trick of geology. They feel manufactured, yet they exist in a time before anything could have possibly manufactured them. These spheres are silent artifacts from a world we cannot comprehend, a time before time as we know it. Number 3. The Antikythera mechanism. In 1901, sponge divers off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera discovered a shipwreck filled with ancient treasures. Among them was a corroded lump of bronze that would rewrite the history of technology. Once cleaned, it was revealed to be a clockwork device of astonishing complexity, an ancient analog computer. With a system of at least 30 interlocking gears, the Antikythera mechanism could predict astronomical positions, eclipses, and even the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. It was a machine 1,000 years ahead of its time. Nothing approaching its sophistication would appear again until the astronomical clocks of 14th century Europe. Who possessed this level of mechanical and astronomical knowledge in the 2nd century BCE? And more unsettlingly, how was that knowledge completely lost to the world for over a millennium? Number 2. Dark energy. For most of the 20th century, we thought we understood the fate of the universe. It was expanding, but the gravity from all the matter within it should be slowing that expansion down. Then in the late 1990s, astronomers studying distant supernovae made a terrifying discovery. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down at all, it's accelerating. To explain this, scientists proposed the existence of a mysterious repulsive force permeating all of space, dark energy. It makes up nearly 70% of the entire universe, yet we have no idea what it is, where it comes from, or why it exists. It defies our understanding of gravity and physics. It is a fundamental property of reality that remains completely invisible and unknown, silently pushing everything apart until, perhaps, the universe itself is torn asunder. Number 1. The quantum double-slit experiment. At the heart of reality lies a paradox so profound it borders on the surreal. The double-slit experiment is simple in design. Fire particles, like electrons, at a screen with two slits in it. If they behave like tiny balls, they should form two lines on a detector behind the screen. But they don't. They create an interference pattern, as if each electron passed through both slits simultaneously like a wave. The truly impossible part? When we place a detector to observe which slit the electron goes through, the wave pattern collapses. The electron suddenly behaves like a particle again, creating the two simple lines we expected. The very act of observing it changes its behavior. It's as if reality itself waits for us to look before deciding what to be. This suggests that consciousness and the physical world are linked in a way our science cannot explain. The universe, it seems, performs for an audience. From the silent depths of space to the very atoms that make up our world, we are surrounded by anomalies. These discoveries are not failures of science. They are invitations to look deeper, to question our most basic assumptions. They are proof that the map we have drawn is not the territory itself. The truth doesn't disappear. It simply waits in the shadows, hiding in plain sight, ready to reveal that the universe is and always will be more mysterious than we can possibly imagine.